Hello everyone, the topic for today is Centrelink. What is their role in what is their basic role in financial matter? Financial matter means in paying and receiving money. Centrelink is the only agency which pays social security benefits to families and individuals. So if you are unemployed, they will give you New Start allowance, they will give you study to students, they will give you family tax benefit, they will pay you parenting payment, they will pay you age pension, veteran benefit, so many benefits. There's a long list they will give you if you are eligible for the social security benefits. Number one, now they also collect payment. The payment which they have paid you, they can collect it. They can collect it if they have overpaid you. Now the point is, how can they collect the payment? They can reduce your future repayments. They can say, okay, you were receiving more, you have a debt now, so we will be reducing your future repayments because you already received too much. They can also send you a debt letter. They can send you a letter, this is what you owe, you need to pay us, and so that we can settle the account. They can issue you a letter for that, this is the amount owing. The main important thing is, like, the main issue is how do they collect? They collect from your tax refund. So whenever your tax return goes for processing, if you are registered with Centrelink, then it goes to Centrelink also. And in case you have a debt with Centrelink, then your refund is reduced by Centrelink debt. So Centrelink has to give approval that this is the amount we have to collect, or we do not have to collect. So any amount which Centrelink has to collect from you, they have the power to take it out from your tax refund. The only way, if you want that they should not take out your money from your tax refund, you have to call Centrelink and call tax office, and you have to explain your situation. Maybe you don't have money to have food, or to pay rent. Situation can be bad sometimes. So that is what you have to ring them and explain your situation. They may give you exemption that okay, we will not deduct the payment of your debt from your refund, but normally they do it automatically. They do it. If you have any debt with Centrelink, your refund will be reduced. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.